Today we're going to be talking about brain-based health and how it can help people out there with depression or anxiety or a long list of other things. And it's with Nexalin Therapy. And joining us to talk about Nexalin Therapy is Mark White from Mind and Body Crocker Park. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Good to be here.
First off, this is Nexalin Therapy. Explain what this is, please, and how this works.
They call it a cranial stimulator. Basically what it's doing is it's massaging the brain like your massage therapist massages the muscles. We massage the brain, and by massaging the brain, you're actually normalizing it.
This replaces pills, correct? I mean, for a lot of people, this is a benefit that you don't get those crazy side effects where the long list of side effects are longer than what they actually do in a positive way.
So
correct?
There's a lot of questions there. At the end of the day, here's what it is. The doctor can use it as a medication management tool, or the doctor can use it to replace medications. The best part about Nexalin is it's a drug-free, natural treatment. It stimulates the brain's ability to regulate itself. So when you're struggling with anxiety and depression and addiction and some of these other issues, by normalizing the underlying cause, we're treating the cause of the problem and not the symptom of the problem. So rather than taking medication, you can do Nexalin. It's a 40-minute session, 10 to 20 sessions over a 2 to 4 week period. You do not feel it. It's undetectable. It's a frequency. And that will normalize 85% of the time all the issues associated with anxiety and depression.
Forgive me, there's going to be a lot of cynics out there. Does this really work? I mean, there are going to be people that say, you know, I'd rather just take the pill and take it and get everything taken care of that way. I haven't heard of this. I think this is somewhat new to people in the area.
Well,
no?
Let's keep it simple. The brain's got two systems. You have an electrical system, you have a chemical system. And when you put those two together and they're both balanced, the brain works the way it's supposed to work. Life on life's terms is great. Everybody's happy. When one of the systems gets out of balance, in this case, you get depressed. So therefore, let's go back in and balance chemically what's wrong with the brain. A lot of doctors will sometimes offer medication. So you're putting medication or chemicals into a brain that's already chemically out of balance. Therefore, you get more side effects. That's the body telling you, I don't want this. What Nexalin's going to do is go in and locate the cause of the chemical imbalance. And by stimulating that area of the brain, a specific structure called the hypothalamus, you can Google that. When you stimulate that area of the brain, the chemical irregularities associated with depression will normalize themselves.
Sounds
too good to be true.
Well, it does. It does. And I mean, there's a lot of people out there, they're just cynics in general, and if it's too good to be true, it's probably too good.
If we could start with Nexalin before we start with medication, you might find that it actually works, number one. And number two, when you leave this country, all over the world, people are using stimulators because you're stimulating the body's ability to help heal itself. And everyone knows what that means.
All right. Mark White, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's time to catch up, America. Mind and Body Clinic, Crocker Park, 440-723-9800, or go to mindandbodycrockerpark.com.